Hi everyone. Today the topic is impact of seasonal variables on the vegetable market supply and the effects on price and quantity equilibrium during the Chinese New Year celebration. If consumer demand for chicken increases more than the increases in supply. By the way, group members here, we had Chong Youngying, Chan Liang, and Abhalaisha. Every market changes over time. Sometimes it is because of technology or income, but often it is nature and culture that bring the biggest changes. Today, we will explore how seasonal variables and festive celebrations, such as the Chinese New Year, influence the supply, demand, and equilibrium in a market. Let's start with vegetables, a product that depends strongly on weather and farming conditions. During normal seasons, farmers produce a stable quantity of vegetables. However, when heavy rain, floods, or droughts occur, they damage crops and reduce harvests. Seasonal variables, such as heavy rain and floods, reduce the harvest of vegetables, which leads to a lower quantity of vegetables being supplied to the market. This causes the supply curve to shift to the left, from S1 to S2. At the same price level, the quantity of vegetables available in the market is now smaller, Q0 shift to Q1. It is important to note that this change in supply is caused by external weather conditions, not by price factors. Therefore, seasonal changes reduce supply in the vegetable market. When supply decreases, but demand stays the same, the market faces a shortage. Both demand and supply for chicken increase. However, if demand rises more than supply, a temporary shortage happens, causing prices to go up and the quantity traded to increase slightly. During the Chinese New Year, the demand for chicken rises sharply, shifting the demand curve from D0 to D1. At the same time, suppliers increase output slightly, moving the supply curve from S0 to S1. Since the shift in demand is greater than the shift in supply, the new equilibrium changes from E0 to E1. At this new point, both the equilibrium price and the equilibrium quantity are higher compared to the original level. During festive seasons, consumers pay higher prices while producers earn more, showing how celebrations can cause short-term price increases in the market. Seasonal factors such as heavy rain or floods reduce the supply of vegetable, causing prices to increase. That on the other hand, during festivals like Chinese New Year, the demand for chicken rises drastically, pushing both price and quantity higher. As a conclusion, bad weather reduces supply and increases price, while festive seasons increase demand, raising both price and quantity in the market.